murder machines. Then what are we Aunty Donna come lick all the excitement from World Dog and Wilbert? You know, say Aunty Donna provoking to the spirit and then you attack say you're a Christian. Eh?
It is a great enable ends back in the life of Sheb reacting to Miss Donna saying that people should stop buying from Shein because nobody's buying at Downtown Kingston. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.
If easy life come for poor people, why are you encouraging poor persons to spend big? Donna, I want to go in pan you, say. I want to go in pan you, but you're not trouble me. You trouble my friend Sabrina. And she make all of this. I want to go in pan you for true, lady. Lady, I want to tell you some things. Because remember cooking with Donna when you never have it. In a little house that favor Grand Market night because everything did was the two-piece name close up. Everything was the two-piece name close up. Remember when you sing, it could have all in your hand, Donna? Make a reason. Remember when you sing with a hole in your hand and your light in your background very low. Your light in your background, but not in the light. It just a reflect on all of the black opal in your house because your house full of glistening. Everything just a reflect. We have to look at your head tie. You know, remember tell you to tie up your head and you favor them long time before time, big man. You know, remember them something there? Your little kitchen, two people could stand up in it, Donna. Cause any old two somebody go in the kitchen in the crowd. You don't remember your humble days. You don't remember till your skirt a drop on the ground and you have your Bible underneath your arm and wash up the plate with your tie because you did fully Jesus. You did fully Jesus. You couldn't drop the word. Remember, ever sit down, you sit down. Cooking with Donna, you and your fandangles. When you're done cook everything for your sequins. You don't remember them days there? Them days they did broke and do have it. Them days they already have a memory of when you used to go to Panama and Curacao. Them days they have to sweep up your yard and start from your doorway or around the back. Now you don't have no yard for sweep. So you want everybody, you want to suck down everybody. You're a wicked dirty woman. You're a wicked dirty woman. We don't know if you cannot come from a humble life and you are going to encourage poor people. You're a thief. He's a thief, you're a big old age girl. He's a thief. He's a thief, Donna. But we don't shop a Shein. We don't care about you and your arcade friend them. We don't care about Uno. We don't care about you and your friend them. We don't business. Anyway, cheapness that them here hang off like Mr. Bling a cabinet in our house. Anyway, cheapness there. Then me can say cheap life and run down dear life. Eh? Me can have put for mine and I spend it on material. One year lady, you and your Igla friend them now have no Christmas, not even pepper light or decoration. I want them get them two thief. Them are gonna learn when Christmas come for sell the things to the proper price because the Igla them downtown and we shop off at the same site. Make them move them nastiness. Them buy the things for $1 and come and sell it for $17,000. Wanna come suck me silly. No, but I'm not lie. It's not lie me I tell my baby. I'm not lie me I tell. When you go downtown, them are all and pull you. Igla them are all and pull you. All in them a time you like them a loader man. You just swear about say I take when you want blows you go buy. Them are all and pull you. One a dry you, so one a dry you. When you come back, you're tired. When you come back from town, you're tired. The moment I feel up, you get you full of fingerprint, you can go in and one fingerprint officer and say, look if a murderer they found me. It's not like them all and pull you. And you want we go downtown and them set up them friend for rob you. Cause so you buy from them switch by you take your money from and then tell your friend, wanna come suck me. Oh, I on the teeth my gap out of my mouth. I remember me that way, brand. I downtown my pass and smile. And I couldn't smile again. All of a sudden my gap gone leave Old Navy. Yeah, me not look pound, no. Me not look pound. It's like Miss Donna get her big money to defend the eagle them. It's like she get her big money, man. You get her big money and never cake you come for sell this year. You come for the promotion. She must come for the promotion and never cake she come for sell. But people for stop by people for stop by your cake. I make you feel what it's like. When poor people stop buying your stuff, you gotta talk for them gone, them gone so and so. Yeah. So me go want no, me not care. I don't care. Tomato and sweet pepper beat up bad already. We can't make clothes liquid. Tomato, we can't even buy cereal. Enough people are going to drink fruit punch. I mean, I tap the one from the tin. Me I tap the one from the sachet, the fruit punch quench with them nice yes, cereal she gone sky high. Some of the things in the have to go on so because me know Jamaica what there. Jamaica get pure rain. So I don't know where farmer tell me say Jamaica get pure rain. But one thing with Uno always a ball and town people them smart. Anytime the festivity over at them time that the price drop, it doesn't matter if rain or fall, sun or shine, the earth cross. At them time it drop. Go on here. Me not ask you no. 1 or 2 out of order. Yes. 1 or 2 out of order. We not have to eye cup the something so. All we can yam in a pot on our eye cup. A whole heap of people not like cook with seasoning. That's why the people them start buy the seasoning one time, blend it up and put it down in their fridge. I don't need no tomato, no pepper cause me a blended seasoning there. I don't blame them. Yeah, cure your own seasoning, cure it. When you sew up the skeleton pan, when you go back home as it come. Right you know, I'm glad I order my onion. I have onion powder, I have onion flakes. I don't miss onion after I walk and yam onion after I no Korean. When I go like me a Korean for walk and yam onion and garlic. You can imagine, no it's not lie. Green gungo. When you buy the green gungo, in the shell, it's cheap can done. When them shell it out, you cannot buy it. Wanna come suck me? Oh, come suck me. Wanna no more scammer than me? Come suck me. Go on here. Put on out to add and bride. Oh, we're gonna shell it out on the dash with the bad one them. Okay, so true we're not getting a bad one tonight. That's why it's a dear. Oh, so the same one in the shell. Eh? That you pay for your shelling. Me never ask you. A year product. You pick it off of the tree and the shell is supposed to unshell it now. And come out the road with a bag of peas, because we buy red peas. We don't buy red peas in a shell. We don't buy red peas in a shell. So I don't know what you talk about. We don't hide and wrap me. No, hide and robbery. I don't know tomato have no flavor so I can't stop selling tomato. Because right now tomato decoration. When can't stop selling tomato and sweet pepper. Because nothing will have like when you not feed on the ground. When you not get manure. Nothing no nice. Nothing no nice. Everything big and not sweet. Everything just Capleton. Big and flavorless. Eh? First time you smell a scallion in a cooked down chicken, you can say, no man, that chicken they are ball out. Not now smell. People just use them eyes to realize they depend it. Not now smell. On the onion not even a bunny again. It has steer back on the while when I look on it. When I say, it's not lie. The yam them not yam good. The yam them not yam. I'm not I cut them. So I don't bother me talk about the food them. Because we not get nothing for yam. So I know so we're closer to famine. Woolworth a pass, my downtown. Woolworth a pass.
Christmas specials at Woolworth. Decorations, Christmas trees at Woolworth. Christmas lights at
You remember we tell you so? Teeth in a Woolworth, them have your picture. I never want my picture go up there, so I don't bother teeth.
Auto supplies at Woolworth also. Get your auto supplies at Woolworth. Items to make your house look and feel better. Brand new at Woolworth.
I don't want teeth.
At Woolworth toys, box games, bicycles at Woolworth.
So I never want to make my picture go up there. Yeah. Not cheap again. Them don't want you wear clothes and them don't want you eat. But you see how quick them go on news attacks and nothing now say. Look at it. All of fear poor people. Come in never see Lisa and I walk through market unless she look vote. No disrespect. Guess who my meet Raymond Price what day? Oh me never tell us my meet Raymond Price. Jesus I saw Raymond Price nice. Me said the man nice, him nice, him nice. Raymond Price but me feel nasty. For true him nice. And him called to me first, you know. Oh God. Mr. Raymond Price is so nice, for true and clean. I must try him live in an AC. Mr. Raymond Price nice. Him have a personality, oh my God. Me I wonder if I train him in a parliament for have the personality there. Come on, when if me have to go get bright. Come on, if I have to go get some education for other personality there. And he's so inviting. He's such a nice individual. Oh God, him nice. Him nice, him nice. I couldn't even stand up and talk to him, I have to kneel down. So him nice, so true. Him nice, bad. And we may go do for nice, so. I think me have to go pray some more now. Him nice, so true. Him nice, is very nice. I wonder if I'm so nice when people see me. That's a no-no. That's a no-no. Go on again. How classy, you know. You know the bird did accolade. You meet him already, though? I'm free, though. I'm nice, he's very nice. He's very nice. Very, very nice. True. I will send that. I will send that. Barbie Slims got beard. Got beard. I got change your beard in your rag. While it's in some warm water. Or too much grease there on your rag. Enough grease. Woolworth a pass again. You meet me, I made it very nice. Lady, move your dirty blood finger. Woolworth a bad me, you know. Woolworth a trouble me, you know. Like Aunty Donna, you know. Woolworth a bad me, you know. anything we want from Woolworth, we buy it off a Sheen. Woolworth's a bad man. I wonder if Wilbert the machines. Then what are we Aunty Donna come lick all the excitement from World Dog and Wilbert? You know, say Aunty Donna provoking to the spirit and then you attack say you're a Christian. Eh? You're provoking to the spirit, you know. Oh, you meet Raymond Preston, him did nice. Your man is a beautiful young man, very nice young man. Very, very nice and polite young man. Why me never polite, sir? Why me pull them? Me pull blackout. Eh? Why? The oldest name in 2024 going into 2025 is Wilbert. She be nice to which part of me? Oh, them deal with Barbara girl, so I don't know. Oh, Pampute eat Barbara and I know why Pampute not like Barbara. You see true Barbara one girl who from out at and she was sting Pampute have to keep Barbara at bay. At bay. Pampute said Barbara have to take out and take them one and wash them. If Barbara have to take them out one, they have to take out female in a bulk. They if you just take out female in a bulk and put them for soak in a glass of Pepsi. I mean no female them a get rusty. Yeah man, Pampute going pan Barbara, but a true Barbara now get them good interview there. Cause if Barbara there get them good interview there, Barbara there sing it on to Pampute man. She da sing it on Pampute and Pampute da feel it. Because Barbara mouth enough with all fairness still enough. I believe Barbara mouth is nothing than palm with a bar. Look here, man. Enough is enough. Sure. You don't know when for cut. I can't really for wearing. I'm bunny and I get heel back have some forever bump right here, so yeah. When I'm wicked and bad, I say I not trust the dirty people, them even are tired. All the one them I say them are Christian, them are thief. Hey, you see me, I could be eagle. Come now, we no church at and get up and read no Psalms a man in time and sprinkle not with no blue and a lime. More for me, sir, and no water with no consecrated olive oil. Go on here, my love. All of una thief down there. All of una nothing for sale. Jamaica for stick up the whole of town and the whole of the close place them. And the next place where we go for to at the supermarket them. Uno and Anjo. At the supermarket them where I go for next. I say I can't wait for Sheen start sending frozen food like we're a soldier. You think a joke? I said this Christmas downtown you for walk freely. Water gun eagle supposed to see your child I go somewhere. And say, hey little boy, take that gun here, can't not sell. Yeah, for true. Me nah ask you, una thief, and una alone for eat. And no care una, cause a long time una robbing and not reach nowhere. Every year we do the same thing. Una remind me of Rosalie was sitting in a chair and beg the same way. Every year, a long time people should have do this. Long time people should have own a whole up downtown instead of downtown and stick on up. When you go downtown for go buy one shoes, you see it for $15 yesterday and you go down there today now, you see it for $18,000. Eh? Me nah lie. Me so glad me no wear brand cause me no know Michael Kors and him don't know me, not to mention Louis. Them don't know me. They don't know a long time people. I don't care when nobody wants to say. No eagle now go wear the pants and the shoes, go party and come wash it out, flash it out and hang it up. That's why the kid tag and clothes. You know wicked to people. Me and Una now go in the same thing. Me say it's sweet me. Nobody know for buy evening blouse. This is a food Christmas. Clothes can there and food there. Clothes cannot there and food there. Me not ask you. Clothes can, I don't care which igla want to eat me. I know I like me. Remember no not mind me. I mind no cause me not buy no not get. I don't care. No two thief. People know material. Some of the material they want to sell for $18 million. It can't even wash. A disposable. Yeah, a styrofoam that can't wash out. Yeah, styrofoam. Yeah. I'm glad for the Chinese them. About stop by her machine. Then what kind of power Donna she have? And what kind of power? Suppose them for taxes stop by Donna cake. You see how life funny? Suppose them for say stop by Donna cake and go support the poor man. Go support the lady we do this every year just to make $1 for pay her rent. Suppose people come and say stop Nyam Donna cake. Number one, we not even know if you're fully immunized. Fear who cannot feed people. Is a risk around. You see how life is unfair? Donna, which poor somebody in your community you help? Because everybody help outside. It come like your community not like you. Can we never see a kid not even treat in your community yet? And I said this is from Donna go up. Eh? So when you encourage poor people to go shop downtown, remember them not have your size downtown and rummage make your clothes? Cause if you go downtown right now, go buy a blouse, it have to fit you like you. You see how your top part favor like you want belch?